We are out in Patong Beach today. The famous street or strips out here in Thailand. Smooth little walkthrough. We're gonna do a smooth little walkthrough of some different areas out here, y'all. Just to show y'all how they coming. Out here, y'all. We out here. We in Patong Beach with it. Totally different scene from Phuket. Totally different scene from Phuket. But for the ones that want to come out here to this type of scenery, the thirst buckets, it's wide open for y'all.
Everywhere.
It's wide open for y'all. But that ain't my cup of tea, my boy. It's not my cup of tea. I like clean. You dig? But yes, sir, man. It's a whole nother vibe out here. The atmosphere is crazy. Traffic crazy. The heat is different. It's hotter, for sure. But I mean, it's still good vibes, man, and peace. Everybody just doing their own thing. You know, trying to make ends meet where they can, bro. So, at the end of the day, I can't blame nobody that's out here doing what they got to do to make money. Because it's totally different over here, y'all. It's totally different over here. I'm gonna flip it around, let y'all see just the activity, the traffic, and how I go down. Traffic just constant, non-stop. Bro got jet skis. Like, you liable to see anything, bro. You liable to see anything. I came up here on the scooter. Best ride I done ever had on the scooter, y'all. Just going through the different turns and the crazy roads. One of the best rides ever. She had the Thai food.
The food thing?
What? Thai food. Plus, if I can find a good Thai spot out here, we might be in business, y'all. We might be in business. Got a tattoo shop over there. It's a vibe, y'all. We out here. Somebody called. What you think, my boy?
I'm just taking it all in, man. I'm just enjoying myself, you know.
Nah, I feel that. Feel it for sure.
It's like you learning stuff you ain't never seen in your life, so you just taking it in like it's different.
Yeah.
So you know, just quiet, just watching everything, you know.
Yeah.
It's a different world, man.
Sitting back and observing. Sitting back and just watching and observing how everything operate out here. So we can get acquainted to it quicker. I did get finessed, y'all. I'm sorry to tell y'all, man. I already got finessed, man. Somebody finessed me with a SIM card for my cell phone that didn't never even work. Finesse. Y'all, so they told me to come get fitted for a suit. I told them they gotta pay me to come in there for a suit. They gotta pay me. Promotion? You need promotion for your business? You need promotion? I got a card, so I'm gonna have to get with you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, that was pointless. I couldn't even understand nothing I said.
First time you see two vloggers vlogging, not any first time.
You let me get him. I got. Look at your boy right here. Look at your boy. Look at your boy. Look at your boy.
I think we gotta put this in a plastic.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. He turned, y'all. That boy is turned up. Bro, I'm trying to sell us the pistols. Bro.
Yeah, what?
It's real?
Yeah.
Real.
How much you selling them for?
How much? Oh, for 10 shots.
Yeah.
A real gun?
Real gun, yeah.
That's no way.
You check a look first, check a look. 1 minute.
Real guns?
Yeah,ครับ.
Man, this dude say he got real guns. What y'all think, y'all? What y'all think, chat? It's too far, man. It's too far. I just come from there. I gotta go. I gotta go. Yeah, bro. I ain't walking back over there again. It's ready for you now. I'm good, my boy. Patong Beach. This is Patong Beach, y'all.
Yeah, this beach hard right here.
This is like the young folks club area.
I don't think I can drink nothing over there.
GP, general population beach. This ain't where I was at yesterday. This ain't by the crib, y'all. This is, had to ride on the moped back here, y'all. This is Patong.
I gotta find a trash can.
Patong.
I need to find a trash can.
Just some views, some views, some views. Another little strip we got right here on the main road for the beach. At the beach. So y'all, we trying to get something to eat out here in Patong Beach, but bruh, the prices here compared to where we was at.
Street food like you in a 5-star restaurant or something. Like, how much is charging?
They charging $3.25 for some spring rolls, bro. I bought that last night for about, how much I get them spring rolls for? Them spring rolls was like
99 cents.
99 baht. $3.50. I'm good, gang. I'm gonna go take it back to the crib and get my food.
He wanted some food. He wanted some food, but see, I'm
bro,
old
we in
school.
Beverly Hills and that shit cheaper.
Big bro,
than
I'm
that,
old
man.
school, man. He tried to do it late. See, you supposed to eat before you leave the house, ain't that right? You supposed to have a canteen in your pocket, a flask or something, ain't that right?
I don't know, is it?
Them young YNs, man. I'm trying
Bro,
to
I
tell
gotta
you.
eat good, bro. We on a trip. We out here on a trip, bro.
So they got a coconut right there for you.
I want no coconut. See what they got. Thai food. Let's see. All right, y'all. So we're gonna head back to the spot.
Yeah.
Where we got the chain beers.
Yeah.
Cause it look like
We gotta get one more little. We gotta get one more little, you know, little swivel.
shindig. One more shindig for the road.
Yeah.
Take it back to the crib.
Woo.
Y'all can see it. Got heat
Shit, beating the block down, boy.
beating on me. Beating on me.
Beating the block down. That heat beating the block down.
Crazy work.
Hey, chat, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, man. Make sure y'all hit the like button, comment below. Let me know what y'all think about our little voyage through the jungle out here in the world. Thailand, man.